Hello, we're Supply and Demand, and today we're going to be showing you our Portablaster HVAC Coil Cleaning Pressure Washer. In the box, you'll have an instruction manual and the Portablaster. Each side has a valve for an inlet or outlet hose, and on the front you'll find the pressure gauge and the power switch. On the back of the Portablaster is a small storage compartment. Inside this compartment is a 5-foot suction inlet hose with a filter screen and hose clip. Next, we have the 16-foot sprayer outlet hose and the trigger sprayer with a wand and adjustable nozzle. On the face of the Portablaster, we have the pressure gauge and the power switch. The indoor function is lower pressure and the outdoor function is higher pressure. To the left of the face, we have the black in valve, and on the opposite side, we have the gold out valve. To get started, take the suction inlet hose and attach the green capped clamp onto the black valve marked in. You'll hear the hose click into place. Then, take the sprayer outlet hose and attach one orange capped clamp to the gold valve marked out. This hose also clicks into place once properly secured. Once both hoses are attached to the Portablaster, connect the base of the trigger sprayer to the orange outlet sprayer hose. This should also easily click into place and remove in the same way. Then, screw the silver sprayer wand onto the base. Next, plug the Portablaster in. Now, take the inlet hose and attach the clip to a bucket filled with water or cleaning solution. Make sure the filter is submerged completely. Turn the Portablaster on to the desired function. For our coils, we will be using the higher pressure outdoor function, which sits at 140 psi. When using the Portablaster for the first time, prime the machine by spraying water into the bucket. This helps clear out any debris. The orange outlet hose is 16 feet long, which is perfect if you don't have an extension cord or if there is a long reach to the coils that you're looking to clean. Now that the Portablaster is properly put together and primed with water, we're ready to spray our HVAC coils. The nozzle is adjustable and can spray narrow or wide dependent upon your need and preference. Now that we're done using the Portablaster, we're going to turn the power off and clear the rest of the water from the machine. You'll see the PSI gauge drop from 140 to 0 once the sprayer has been cleared. Once you're done clearing the water and pressure, remove the inlet hose from the bucket. Detach the hose and sprayer pieces and shake out any excess water. Remove the hoses from the valves. These should remove just as easily as they were put on. Place detached and rolled up hoses and sprayer pieces back into the handy storage compartment on the Portablaster.